Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Yaris GR and the BMW M4. These two performance machines offer vastly different approaches to driving excitement. We'll explore their core characteristics, from their rally-inspired roots to their luxury sports coupe design. Understanding these differences will help you decide which high-performance vehicle best suits your driving style and preferences. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to raw power, the BMW M4's twin-turbo inline-six engine delivers significantly more horsepower and torque, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.8 seconds. The Toyota GR Yaris, with its feisty three-cylinder turbo, offers an exhilarating experience, reaching 60 miles per hour in about 5.2 seconds. The GR Yaris's advanced all-wheel drive system provides exceptional grip and rally-inspired handling, while the M4 offers a choice between classic rear-wheel drive or a performance-oriented all-wheel drive system for varied driving dynamics. The driving experience in the GR Yaris is often described as raw and incredibly engaging, making you feel connected to the road with its precise steering and firm suspension. It's built for spirited driving, though its compact size means limited practicality with small rear seats and a modest boot. In contrast, the BMW M4 offers a more refined, yet equally thrilling ride, blending luxury with high performance. It provides a more comfortable interior and greater cargo capacity, making it a more versatile option for daily use. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. The Toyota GR Yaris is a unique, rally-inspired hot hatch, offering incredible driving engagement and performance for its price, appealing to purists seeking a raw experience. The BMW M4, on the other hand, delivers a potent combination of luxury, advanced technology, and blistering performance, albeit at a significantly higher cost. It's a more versatile sports coupe, suitable for both track days and comfortable daily driving. For other great deals, including those fantastic meal prep containers, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.